If you are an outdoorsy person and want to see how flashlights have been reinvented, keep watching this video. Quick disclaimer, this product was sent to me for my honest review. Here is also a quick unboxing so that you know what to expect when you receive this product. So far impressed with high quality aluminum body. Believe it or not, this battery can give you up to 72 hours of power on its lowest setting. And if no power sources are available for a recharge, it comes with an adapter for 3 AAA batteries. And if you do have a power source, simply turn the head clockwise to locate charging port. Now here is a quick demo of the lighting sources, and it has 3 settings. The highest setting, which is 1200 lumens, middle setting, which is around 600 lumens, and the lowest setting, which is 20 lumens. And if you need to go hands-free, this flashlight has you covered. As you can see, it is magnetized on the butt end, which is super helpful in a pinch when you're out and about in the dark and need to free up your hands. And last but not least, one of my favorite features is that you can reverse the charging port and plug the USB into the flashlight, pick your charging port for your phone, and now you have an emergency backup battery bank. I hope this video was helpful.